Alright, so just to show you where I've been digging out of, there's not much flow on this particular section of it. What I've gone and done is I dug a hole, probably about not even a foot deep, I say, once you take out the water. I'm seeing what looks like gold. The ultimate wash plant. 100% gravity fed. Water comes straight down into a screen deck. What I'm going to have to do now is just gently spoon feed this in with the trowel, but it's faster than classifying, and it drops the gold bearing gravel onto the V-rib matting at a decent steep angle. I don't really care, I'm just using this as a means of delivering it really to the main vortex sluice. Happy days. I'm going to keep going until the sun goes down. See you there. Okay, so earlier this configuration wasn't perfect, so now what I have is I have a small little screen deck. I'll show you just over here. So what that is just an 1/8 of an inch classifier, and hopefully we can get some decent bits of gold out of it. Alright, good afternoon from another interesting day. Well, unfortunately today I didn't get much gold. I had a lot of black sand. I think the sluice might have been just running a little bit too fast. This is still the most beautiful place in the world. I think I'll probably just keep coming back here until I find something, because it's just one of the most beautifully peaceful places in the world. But like, I mean, I had the best setup around. Even I'll show you now just in a second. And what I had done was I had previously dug a decent sized hole for the pipe to sit into, but it just became very difficult to get it running. But having said that, during the winter time there'll be more flow here. It's not exactly cold now right now, but the reason I'm wearing a high vis is I heard people shooting a few minutes ago and I don't really want to get shot at. I'm not going to give up yet. I will find good gold eventually. I'll keep on cracking. See you there.